Imagine a world where every material, from the plastic in our phones to the fuel in our cars, is a testament to human ingenuity. Welcome to the realm of chemical engineering, a fusion of physics, chemistry, and mathematics, where raw materials are transformed into technologies that advance our civilization. At its core, chemical engineering strives for efficiency, sustainability, and prosperity. Join us as we reveal its scope and significance, exploring how engineers master matter and energy to build the world around us. Let's embark on this educational journey, piecing together the puzzle of innovation and unfolding a story far grander than its beginnings. Peering into the heart of modern industry, we discover the stealthy dance of atoms and molecules shaping materials and medicines. Here in the domain of chemical processes, the silent rhythm of innovation pulses. From twilight distillation columns to brewing vessels crafting ancient libations such as beer, engineers leverage heat, pressure, and catalysts to convert basic elements into prized commodities. This segment unveils the alchemy behind products that define our daily lives and previews the meticulous work that evolves these materials, ensuring a future forged by chemical science. Deep within our world's matrix, matter and energy converge under the laws of thermodynamics, which we explore as a vital juncture of chemical engineering. These laws direct the energy transfer that shapes efficient and innovative processes. Real-world applications, from power plants to bioreactors, embody these principles. We will uncover the mastery of energy flow in chemical engineering and how it crafts the materials integral to our lives. Next, we'll explore the pivotal role of balancing material and energy, optimizing the crux of chemical reactions. In the symphony of atoms and energy, chemical engineers conduct a precise balancing act known as material and energy balances, ensuring equilibrium within industrial processes. This act epitomizes optimization, minimizing waste while maximizing output, which lies at the heart of the discipline. In the next segment, we take this knowledge forward, honing in on the mastery of chemical reactions crucial for transforming raw materials into sophisticated products. The pulse of chemical innovation beats within the process of transformation, courtesy of chemical reaction engineering. Integrating kinetics, reactor design, and catalysis, engineers transform raw inputs into valuable outputs, optimizing for both speed and yield. Our journey goes deeper into these mechanisms, the orchestration by catalysts, and the architecture of reactors. As we prepare to venture into the art of separation, understand that the essence of these processes lies in the pure, refined end product. As we delve further, we discover separation as a foundational pillar of chemical engineering. Techniques like distillation, filtration, and chromatography collectively refine and define the quality of our products. These processes underscore the adaptability and precision of the field. Moving forward, we'll illustrate how this art of purification complements the dynamic world of transport phenomena, the movers of industry. Transport phenomena lay the groundwork for understanding the movement of particles and energy essential to chemical engineering. We examine fluid dynamics, heat exchangers, and diffusion, connecting theory with the practicalities of system design. In our upcoming segment on process control and instrumentation, anticipate a revelation of the fine control that keeps these complex systems safe, precise, and efficient. In the sophisticated web of chemical processes, precision is paramount, attained via process control and instrumentation. Automation, sensors, and controllers team up to achieve the ideal harmony between safety and efficiency. This fusion of technology ensures the unwavering rhythm of operations. Our next conversation pivots towards integrating these strategies with sustainable innovations, carving a future where efficiency is synonymous with environmental stewardship. Innovation and responsibility converge as we move towards sustainable chemical engineering practices. Green chemistry and efficient resource management reflect our dedication to ecological integrity. Every advancement softens our environmental footprint, paving the path to a sustainable existence. As this educational voyage reaches its end, let's contemplate the impact of engineering principles on achieving a harmonious balance with nature. On the horizon of chemical engineering, possibilities are as vast as the principles we've explored are foundational. We witness career paths ripe with potential, at the frontier of technologies waiting to be tapped. Lifelong learning fuels these opportunities, maintaining pace with the discipline's evolution. As you reflect on concepts from material balances to reaction engineering, regard them as catalysts to a fulfilling career. And with this, our comprehensive exploration concludes. Yet your journey is just the catalyst of a personal saga in chemical engineering.